How to play Crystal of Atlan and PC. Now, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you out the very basic technique or trick for you to be able to play Crystal of Atlan and PC. So everybody knows that this specific game is newly released, and however, it is not yet available of some of the countries. So for you to be able to play it, of course, you need to use any reliable or any preferred VPN that you want to download on your PC, whether it's going to be free or a subscription-based VPN. So all you have to do is to pull up your VPN and change it into Japan. Once you change it, just leave it as it is and then go back into the coa.nvsgames.com. So again, it does not actually matter if you're playing it via Epic Games or maybe on Steam or directly from the client on their official site. You really need to use VPN because it is not available for some of the countries. So this is where you can download it. Just click this PC and it will automatically launch the download here. Once you fully downloaded it, run the game, and once you're on the home page, just simply turn off the VPN, close the game, and relaunch the game again for you to be able to not to use the VPN again. And that's it. That's a simple trick in how you can play Crystal of Atlan and PC.